How you doing, my friends? This is Zach. Me tuesta el foco. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to some techniques. I'm gonna give you some simple tips and tricks on the quena. It's the third video I'm doing about the quena. The title is gonna be I think it's gonna be third lesson tips and tricks. I'm gonna show you two tips or tricks. I'm gonna start with the legato. I'm gonna show you the legato, and I'm gonna show you the trill, right? That way you can interpret your song a lot of with more feeling. With these techniques, it helps a lot. You're gonna have a better you're gonna feel your song is coming better, right? So let's start with the legato. To do the legato, you have to uncover the holes. You have to uncover like doing the sharps or flats, kind of like that, doing like this or like this, right? Like this. I'm doing it right now. You can do like this, like if you gonna do the sharp, but a very soft, very slowly, and then to complete uncover the to the note you want. In this case, it's E, right? I want the E, but I want to uncover from the D, right? D, and then E. So it sounds like that. Okay, you can do it from the all over the from down to up. It's gonna sound like that. But it depends how do you feel the song and what you want to do, right? You can do this in all notes. If I want to do the D with the C, start with the C. Or I want to start from the B. You have to uncover softly, depending if the song that requires. It depends how is the song. Sometimes the song is very fast. Sometimes the song is slow, so it requires it slowly. You can do more fast if the song is obviously fast, right? So. And also, I'm gonna show you on song how to sounds playing any song, right? In this case, I choose one particular song that you're gonna recognize. So it's pretty nice song, making famous. It was made famous around maybe 15 years ago. And also, I'm gonna show you the trill. The trill is, you can do it lifting and placing the last note. In this case, I have a C, right? I'm gonna lift not the note before, the finger before of the note, right? This. I'm gonna lift and place the D, right? Okay? If you want to the B, I'm gonna lift the C. And then the other one. You see? Lift and open, and it's gonna come out the trill. The trill is very nice because it makes your song very beautiful. Mixing with the legato is gonna sound pretty good. I'm gonna do the trill in second octave as well. That way you can listen how it sounds, right? First octave, I'm gonna do the C. Second octave. You see? So the best thing is lifting and closing, lifting and placing the note before. that's the best position. When you got more time playing, you're going to learn techniques or tips that you're gonna discover by yourself. I'm not gonna show you right now those things in the trills because I'm gonna confuse you a little bit. So, but if you keep playing, you're gonna discover by yourself what else you can do to get the trill. It's kind of similar, but I'm telling you, just for now, practice with the simple way how to do it, right? Just the note before, lift and place the note before. You see? So it's gonna come out a nice, it's gonna get your song to different way, to the way it has a better interpret, right? Interpret has the way it says. And this mixing with the legato, you can make a good song, I think. You practice your first octave, your second octave, these two techniques, two things, you can get a good nice song, right? And I'm gonna repeat about the legato. I want to reach E starting from C. Second octave. And I'm doing the trill also, and the finalizing the song, I'm doing the trill, right? Okay, so the trill is nice, and the legato is gonna help you to get a nice to build a good song. It's like putting more feeling, more techniques, more tips, more. The song is gonna be beautiful. Step by step, right? If you play something, I'm gonna play from the Titanic movie. This song is My Heart Will Go On, right? I'm gonna play it like simple, not using techniques, not using vibrato, not using the tricks that I'm teaching you right now. I'm gonna play it real simple. It sounds like that. The part of the birds, right? You see how it sounds very flat, very simple. But if you using these little things that I'm teaching you, it's gonna sound a lot better. You gotta use your vibrato. You have vibrato. The vibrato I'm gonna show you in another video. But using your vibrato, using the trill, using the legato, it's gonna sound like this. Listen. You see? So it sounds very beautiful, right? Very, very nice, clear, And it helps a lot. The tricks and tips helps a lot to build a good song, right? So I'm gonna do it in second octave. So it's how it is, how you can get the step by step the better sound, better techniques to build a good song, and you gotta practice. Half hour, an hour per day is enough. That way your muscles gonna work a lot. First gonna feel a little bit pain here, all this, but it's good when you're not feeling pain. That's good, cause you're gonna see that you're getting a better sound, a very clear sound, and everything, right? So these two things I wanted to teach you this in this video, the third video that I'm doing, the legato and the trill. In next video, I'm gonna talk about the vibrato. I'm gonna talk about the tremolo, and also the staccato, right? And then I'm gonna teach you the third octave, also the notes and everything. Thank you, my friends. See you next time. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and also you want a professional instruments, you can send me a message, or you can go to my eBay channel. I have an eBay account to sell instruments. His name is ANDEAN STYLE Mall, and that's my username, where I sell a lot of professional instruments, quenas, zampoñas, pan flutes, sell charangos as well. And or you can send me a message, anything you need, you know. My Facebook is ANDEAN STYLE. You can send me a message through there also. See you next time in the next video. Thank you.